Hey guys, today let's learn how to create images using AI for free. So if you guys want to go ahead and create images using AI, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to do that. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to actually access an application or a software through our browsers over here, which is called Leonardo AI. So search for Leonardo.ai, go ahead and launch over onto their website. And what you should see is this one right here. As you see, we can actually go ahead and proceed with tapping and downloading this application on the App Store and tapping on Launch App over here on the three lines. Let's try and go ahead and tap on Launch App, and we are going to be redirected to this option. Now, all we need to do is to proceed with logging into our preferred account. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and tap on Google and tap on my preferred account to log in with Leonardo AI. But basically from here, we need to basically wait now and confirm. And once we are here and now welcome, we can actually now use Leonardo AI to create our own images using, well, AI for free. All we need to do from here is to go ahead and tap on this button on the top right section, and let's tap on user tools and tap on image or AI image generation. And as you see, it actually allows us now to enter the desired prompt that we want. Go ahead and enter whatever you want on here. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see a scientist from, let's say, before Christ, because why not? It's going to be very random, but let's see if AI can generate this image for us. So tap on generate, and it's going to basically take a few seconds to do so. As you see, once it is done, you can now go ahead and preview your images, and it's going to be in the set of 4 by default. And that is how you guys could basically create your own images on Leonardo AI using AI for free. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. Take care. This is How to Tech and Tutorials.